Hi everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel. I hope you're having an amazing day. My name is Lena and I'll be showing you the different ways to make money online. Or, like if you want to get a remote job or start your own business, then this is the place to be. I'm only going to be showing you the ways that I've tried and they really work. So I'm a stay-at-home mom, and since last year I've just been home and with my baby, and I'm sure so many stay-at-home moms are looking for opportunities out there that they can do from home. And some of you, even if you're not a stay-at-home mom, you just want an opportunity that can give you the independence to just stay home, or the flexibility, or if you're looking for you're looking for something that can give you the freedom, from home, something that you can do from the comfort of your home, then this is the place to be. If you're also looking for, for an extra income, you are in the right place, because I'm going to show you many ways that I've researched on that can give you that extra income, that you want. So guys, just subscribe to my channel and just make sure that you watch my episodes, because I'll be doing follow-ups and I'll be doing different types of ways that can fit anyone who is looking for a job. If you're a stay-at-home mom and looking for non-phone jobs, or looking for just remote jobs, or looking for customer service jobs, or data entry jobs, or any kinds of jobs, I'm gonna show you where to find them. I'm gonna show you the ones whereby you can make most money, and where you can make less money, and the ones that are really hard to find, and the ones that are so easy to find, and the ones that you're gonna spend a lot of jobs that you don't need a phone. When you have a baby at home, you don't need like a phone job, because most of the times the baby is gonna be trying to talk, or you're gonna be yelling at your baby or running around, so you don't need like a phone job for that. Moms, I got you. I have a lot of jobs here, a lot of jobs that I can show you, a lot of ways, a lot of tips that I can show you, so you can start your job, your new business venture. So if you want to start, even anyone who wants to quit their job and just start their new venture, start a new career, you want to try self-employment, then this is the place to be. So first of all, if I'm not gonna lie to you, that it's gonna be very easy, because some people just are out there telling people how it is and how easy it is to get. Some people are just gonna lie to you, telling you that you can just do this, you can earn money from your bed, earn money from anywhere, earn money. Okay, yeah, you can earn money, but it doesn't come easy. You have to work for it. So before we start, I'm gonna let you know that it's not gonna be easy, but you have to keep doing it. You have to keep working hard. You have to be persistent. You have to know what you want so you can get there. So it's not like you're gonna start today and then you're gonna be getting money tomorrow. Well, if it's a business, yes, you're gonna have to put a lot of work. You're gonna have to market your business. You're gonna have to do you're gonna have to do a lot of research for your business, and you have to give it time so it can generate your income. Well, there are sites that you can just get in today. Other than the business ones, there are sites you can just get in today, like Upwork, and just get jobs from clients and start working and start getting paid. So starting a business in self-employment is different from just remote jobs, because if you're looking for that remote job, that for a non-phone job or anything like that, or transcription jobs, then you have to, you can just sign up from home and just do it from there. So guys, I know you're here because you're still here because you're looking for an online job or a remote job, and my tips are gonna be helpful because I've been doing this for the longest. Because see, when I started this, I used to go online, and I got this kind of, I used to find this kind of things like how to earn $100 an hour, how to earn $100 an hour with no, a home, other people saying, you can earn like $20 an hour staying on your bed. Other people just post like you can earn, like you get so many kind of things out there. And when you get in, like, it's so hard. When you get in and listen to what they're saying, they end up, telling you so many things that, it's not like easy. It's about, you have to put the work. So guys, be ready to put some work so you can get the results. So you work and then you get the results. So guys, before I end this video, I'm gonna show you, like, I'm gonna touch on 3 websites that have, really worked for me in, 3 things that I've tried and I'm still doing them. So guys, I'm gonna tell you about 3 websites that you can go to and start doing your job today. So guys, stay tuned. My first one is my favorite. It's rev.com. I'm gonna start, not Rev. I'm gonna start with Upwork. Upwork is my favorite, and I do Upwork every day. And every time I get jobs, like every day from Upwork, remote jobs, I get to choose the kind of jobs that I want from Upwork. So, Upwork is, it's a marketplace whereby you find jobs. And actually, Upwork, it's worldwide. It's a freelancer site whereby if you want like a remote job, you can find work there and start doing it immediately. So like, you don't need to market, you don't need anything, you don't need to do anything, you just need to sign up and just go in there. You'll see jobs posted by clients, and you get to choose from them, the ones that you want. So if you're in the US, you can just set your profile, as a US profile whereby you get jobs only in the US. If it's worldwide, you can get jobs from anywhere. But currently, I think right now they're not like giving people jobs from Russia, I think because of the ongoing, war. But then, probably in the future it's gonna be there, because a few months ago they were able to give people jobs worldwide. So guys, if you're anywhere in this world, you can do work from Upwork. It's a marketplace. Get in there and get started today, because that's what I do. I get a lot of jobs there. I get a lot of opportunities and things that I can just work from home. So if you're a stay-at-home mom, or you just want to work from home, just go to Upwork and get yourself an account. Another site that I love so much is rev.com. Transcription. So guys, I'm just touching on a few areas, a few websites that I've tried. But then I'm gonna be going deeper very soon in my next video on, the different kind of websites and I'm gonna be showing you very many ways which you can start your online venture. So rev.com is a transcription website whereby you sign up, you do your exam, you do your test. They give you like a test which you do and start transcribing immediately. I love Rev because they pay every Monday. Like when you do your job, you're paid every Monday. So it's a website that is really promising, because the jobs, actually they are not big jobs, they are just tech jobs. So Like you just take the job, you select the job you want to do and just do it. And they don't allow you to take 2 jobs at a time. You're only allowed to take like 1 job at a time, and you have to do it yourself. So, but then Rev is only it's not worldwide, it's in the US. So guys, sorry, I have to Rev in so majority of the Rev workers are in North America and in English speaking countries such as Australia and Canada. So guys, Rev is a great opportunity for you. So just go in there and sign up today, and your account is going to be approved and you can start working immediately. Transcription, you just convert audio files to text. So guys, it's an amazing opportunity for you. So just go in there and just sign up. Another one that I love, guys, I'm gonna be doing another video, later tomorrow. In 2 days, and I'll be talking more about Rev, about Upwork, and how to sign up. I'll be taking you step by step and how to do this, and other kinds of ways to make money online, other kind of websites that you can do. You can sign up to and just start immediately. Then another one that I love is drop shipping. Drop shipping is whereby you just sell products that you don't actually own, and you've not even bought them. You just sell them from the owner directly to the client. You don't have to do anything. You don't need money to do it, but you need to, I'm going to show you how to drop ship. So guys, just stay tuned. In my next video, I'm going to be showing you how to, I'm going to be showing you different kinds of ways that you can make money online. That is just an introduction. So in my next video, I'm going to show you how to sign up to Upwork, how to sign up to Rev, and other great ways to make money online. These ways are verified because I have tried them, and I can tell you it's the easiest way to make some of them are just the easiest way to make money online. And I have opportunities for everyone. If you don't want a phone job, if you just want an email support job, if you want to be a virtual assistant, if you want to do anything, I'm going to show you how to. So guys, just stay tuned. I'm doing a lot of research for you, and I'm gonna give you only legit ways to make money online. So guys, stay tuned and have a great day. I'll see you in the next video.